front of me is SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this Sony. Firstly, go into Play Store and install your new default app. In my case, it will be browser. I will go with Opera Mini. Then you don't have to open it, just click on Home button and access Devices Settings. Over here you need to choose Apps section and then apps over here, and then click on default apps. Now you need to tap on one of those sections. I wish to change my browser, so I will go with browser app. Click on app that you wish to set up over here and simply tap on the back button. As you can see, after that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!